like study with genius? Yes, why? The classes are so interesting. Okay? What do you like the most of studying with genius? The teacher explained the questions I have and she explained very good. What have you learned during your course? The verbs in past, present, future, places, food, direction, jobs, occupations, time, the weather, clothes, family members, have got, and more. What do you think of your teacher? The teacher is so funny, she explained very good and she helped everybody in the questions. Are the classes online fun? Yes, the classes online are very fun and interesting. It's so cool learning in general.